Hello everyone, I am Chirag Ghosh. My roll number is 20CS10020 and I am from section 1. So for this DIY assignment, I am going to open up this mixer grinder. And before that, let me show that it is in working condition. So as you can see, it is working. I am now going to remove the AC power. We will now open this up. So this is the interior portion of the grinder. As you can see, the AC power comes through this wire. There are three wires. The green is the earth wire, then there is a neutral wire and a live wire. The neutral wire comes in here, and this is actually a reset button. When the grinder gets overloaded, this cuts off, and then if we press the button again, it will work again. So the neutral wire comes in here. From here one wire goes to the lights which we have, and the other goes to the motor directly. Then there is a live wire which goes to the controller. The controller has a off mode, then three on modes, so low, medium and fast. Accordingly, there are three wires which go to the motor, which give different speeds to the motor. And another wire goes to the light. Actually the light is not working in my case, else I would have shown it. The motor body is made up of iron, and there are copper wires, and the wires are used as of we can see are copper, and they are insulated properly. The body is made up of plastic, and now let me show the upper part. The complete body is made up of plastic actually. The motor is connected to this particular rotor. When the motor runs, we put the grinder base above it, and then it runs the blades. This is the upper part where we put the food, then we put it here, and then when the motor runs, it also runs the blades. The blades run at high speeds, which leads to the churning of the food. Also, as you can see, there are openings here for the air to pass through, and for the motor to run properly. There are also openings in the back part of the plastic body, which allows for more circulation of air, so that the motor does not get overheated. I think now we have completed the study of the interior parts of the grinder, so I will close it and then we will run it again. So it has been a success. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.